Why are y'all running around the disc?
Can y'all
I don't
hear me?
know, just ADD.
Why not?
Yeah, why not?
Can y'all hear me?
Don't touch me.
I got stuck on the corner.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Alrighty.
That chair.
I know, right? The chair catches me.
Come on, everyone.
This corner right here. Look.
I'm a hipster.
Just going against the mold. Oh, this is madness. I'm gonna get
I
dizzy.
heard 5 farts go off at one time. Just
Why can't I hear the farts going
Look,
off?
yeah,
How do you-
everybody turned.
Alright,
Look,
16,
they
let's
turned.
go.
Hey, Blondie.
How do you fart?
F. And you have to make sure that you've already bought
Oh,
the.
You haven't bought one yet,
Purchase
you
the
have to
fart.
buy it.
So you gotta get rich like the rest of us.
Yeah. I got 7K coins. I only need another.
It's that battery.
7,000.
That was my
8,000
first game.
more. I want to
I
purchase
have
this
10,000. I wish I could get
Dragon
gold
Tusk.
coins.
We
I
only
just
need one
realized
more.
the
Come
special
on.
items, those are cute. Maybe I'll have money.
I don't have any. I want to craft one of these kill animations.
That would be fun.
Alright, I guess we can go with 15 and just pick up someone in the next round.
Alright. We had 16 for a second, don't know what happened.
She left.
Lame.
No, you hold on.
No, you hold on. It's my hand.
Y'all need a whole-
Hold
And
on.
who wanted professional duck?
Mom.
I want all the ducks on.
Do y'all want to turn?
It's
Alright,
okay.
which one do y'all want to turn off? Do y'all want to turn off cannibal or spy? For
I want-
professional?
Maybe
I want-
just turn them all on so it's random every time.
No,
Yes.
I
Yeah, why
insure
not?
the three. I insure the 3 ducks.
Aww.
Yeah. I guess we'll do. All right, here. All right, for y'all. All of them. I will be nice. I'll be nice for. I'll be nice
Yo,
for.
put-
All right,
put-
there. There.
Put medium on.
Yeah.
Makes
have
it
fun
harder
now.
to guess what it is.
Now it's gonna be
Pop
even
a
harder
cherry,
because we're
I'm
not gonna
sweating.
know if there's an assassin.
Exactly, that's what makes it fun.
That's why we
Let
keep
it
zero
go.
rolls.
Okay. Would you believe under the piano?
I don't trust you.
Alright, I trust you.
Yeah, you got
Uh-oh.
caught. You got caught. You gonna admit to it? No?
Shadow Squad Gaming.
Shadow
I
Cat,
think,
yeah.
right? Yeah.
Yeah, Shadow Cat.
Hello. I can't even read right.
You're fine. You're fine.
I'm so tired, guys.
We're
Shadow?
fine, we're all tired.
You got an
Oh, he
explanation?
might have been silenced. Oh, he might be silenced, y'all.
What
No,
is that?
it's
Wait,
him.
did he kill? Maybe.
Yes.
He might be silenced.
Well, they,
Or maybe
okay,
it's
I didn't see him
Snap
kill,
and
I
they're
just
ducks and
know.
They're backing each
Could be
other.
Dodo. How
No.
do you know?
Shadow
Yeah.
was walking
Yeah.
away from the body. I didn't see the body flop though, so.
Could be Dodo.
Oh,
Oh.
Oh,
Oh god.
Shoot!
oh
Well.
no.
What?
Oh, dang.
I voted Shadow Cat. I voted Shadow Cat because he just voted, and I think he just assassinated. I really believe that Shadow Cat just assassinated Desi. What are the odds of freaking assassin in the
Oh, I
first
did.
game after?
It's like
putting all of the
50-50.
rolls on? Yeah, well,
Shadow Dodo.
How did they know that?
Oh, that'd be terrible
I
if he was
swear
Dodo.
Dodo.
No, no, okay.
Hello.
Hello, friend. Please don't kill me. Please
I
don't.
said it's getting hot in here, so hot, so take a bite.
No. No, I don't want to die. No, I don't want to die. 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 I don't want to die.
You want to explain that one, trash can?
Hmm?
Huh?
Again?
Good
What
lovers.
happened?
Okay, well,
What
I'm
happened?
walking the north hallway. I passed trash can in the dark, and then I come across a body just above the kitchen entrance, and then a trash can comes back right at it. So
No, you killed my buddy.
I was walking around the right side of the hallway trying to find someone to walk with since I was scared, since the lights were off, and then we went to the left together and I saw the report button flash for a bit.
oh,
I
okay,
just saw
I believe it.
parrotfish.
Say, Ashok and I were at light panel.
Bathroom. I don't know. This gotta be real work.
Why me?
We get the lights on or no?
Almost,
I don't
but no.
Yeah.
There you go.
Dang it.
Bark,
Dang,
bark.
Tom's angry.
This body, the sitting room.
Where?
Where?
The sitting room.
Oh, sitting room on the far right.
Sitting room in
Oh,
the.
sitting room?
Yeah.
Snevitz, where'd you go after lights?
I went through the foyer, through east, up to the laboratory, hit my hot water, and now I'm above the fountain area.
I have no
I
idea.
think
who it
it's
is.
not Sniv. It's Vitz.
I don't know who it is.
Where is everybody
was-
else? I was in bathroom again.
I was in the dining room.
Tom, I know you want to go
There's
outside,
clothes-
but let
There's a
trash
closed
cans.
door and Zero was looking at me. Then he went somewhere. I forgot where, but he went somewhere and I was trying to get out of the door, locked room.
Oh.
So I saw him recently. What?
What the f did he put in potato for?
Who voted
Oh.
potato?
Maybe because I was
The
at the
dodo.
bathroom? I don't know. Yeah, I'm Dodo.
Hey, yo.
Don't kill me, I'm Canadian, I swear. I already told some people. Dang it, you Paula Pachupati Tarakatama!
Trash can
Ha
just go
ha!
follow him.
Pigeon died.
Trash was not
guess-
glowing.
I knew he was a bad
I
guy.
guess the lights is a good tactic then.
It's a wasted roll.
Dang it.
Mm.
What's a Canadian doing? Is only the Falcon alive?
Probably getting lights on, so that is probably.
But we had assassin. What was the other two?
Oh,
votes?
oh no. Oh! Ha ha!
Oh,
Let's
my
It was Trash Can
God.
and Snevitz.
Oh,
That was the
my
first
God.
time I actually
okay.
pulled off an imposter play, or a duck play.
I'm glad I got.
That was
I was hoping it was
very
more
unfair.
Judge Ducks than that.
David killed me. I knew I should.
Who was that teleduck?
Yeah, that's all he does. Like, ooh, I'm getting them.
I spawned with David, and I was like, I don't trust you.
I'm sorry.
No, you're
The
good.
lights
you're
went
good.
out, and I was like, "Ooh, is Cherry still there?" And it's like, "Oh, there he is, Bop."
Well, I knew when the lights go out. I knew when the lights went out. You were gonna kill me if you were either way. I was like, fuck it.
Which one of you killed me when I was humping the pillow?
Oh, that was me.
How did I die?
I killed that.
Damn.
Yeah, I killed you too. So